Yo, YouTube. So look, you read the title right. We got an affordable trimmer review. But before we get into the video, I want to say shout out to Supreme Trimmer for sending your boy out this trimmer, for allowing myself to give you guys a real deal review. If you're new to my channel, man, no matter if I'm endorsed, no matter if I'm sponsored, no matter if I got a partnership, no matter what, I give you guys my real deal opinion, how I feel about the trimmer, you know what I'm saying, all the products, you know what I mean, and that's just what it is. So if you're new, man, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, comment, turn post notifications on, do all that stuff. Roll to 1K, join the family, join the team, man. We hitting the 1K by the end of this year, I promise you. You know what I'm saying? We gonna hit that big 1K, so join the family. And without further ado, man, let's get into this video. Let's go. So I'm not 100% sure if I said this in the intro, so if I did, forgive me. But if you would like to purchase this trimmer right here, I will link everything in the description from the Instagram. You can contact them directly. You can also visit their website from the Instagram. This product is also on Amazon as well as Walmart.com. So I already saved y'all the hassle of me opening up the box. I haven't checked out what's actually in the trimmer box, but this is just a little biography of what Supreme Trimmer is. So it says, thank you for trying our first product, the T-Shaper ST5210 trimmer by Supreme Trimmer. When creating the T-Shaper, we had one thing in mind: how can we be different? That's dope, you know what I'm saying? The look is definitely dope, you know what I'm saying? And right here, $39.99, you will receive a complete bundle. That's dope, you know what I'm saying? The trimmer only weighs 4.5 ounces, dope as hell, you know what I'm saying? And right here, I know you guys see this extra blade. I did not purchase this extra blade. This blade comes with the trimmer, which is also dope, you know what I'm saying? Because my barbers know, upcoming barbers, you will definitely find out when it comes to buying a trimmer, if you want a different blade or you want a modified blade, the company don't give that to you. You have to make a separate purchase, which will add up. You know what I'm saying? Like, it definitely will. And it says, highlight, please install our professional trimmer blade included in every order for a sharper cut before use. So I'm not sure if they're gonna come with this highlighted on every order. However, the company does know. I talked to them directly, so they do know that I'm a professional barber, you know what I mean? But we're gonna get right into it. And right off the bat, you know what I'm saying, it comes packaged very nicely, very absolutely nicely, you know what I'm saying? We got the combs that some people use. I don't ever use them, but that's okay, you know what I'm saying? If you use them, not knocking you. But we're gonna get right into it, because I know you guys, this is what the trimmer looks like. I know you guys are itching to see what it sounds like. Me as well. This is my first time seeing the trimmer in person. So we're gonna get right into it. Excuse the hands. I'm using hand sanitizer all day. Dry my hands out. 1, 2, 3. I can't lie. My OG subscribers, y'all already know I'm not a fan of the slimlines whatsoever, but I will put these on the same caliber as the slimlines. I will give these the edge on how they feel with power, just off the simple fact, when I cut them on, I'm gonna cut them on one more time. They feel like they have a lot more power than the Slimline Pro Allies. I'm not gonna tell you guys, no lie, I promise you. 1, 2, 3. All right, so look, man, I'm eager as hell to put the professional blade on. I might make some modifications myself. You guys know I like to sharpen my blades. Just, that's my personal preference, you know what I mean? But we're gonna do that, then we're gonna show y'all some footage, and I'm gonna give y'all my overall opinion and overall take on this trimmer right here. Let's go. So I just wanted to really hop on here and tell you guys my final overall opinion on this trimmer. For $40, man, Supreme Trimmer did their thing. I said this earlier in the video. Give me this trimmer right here over a Slimline Pro Li, whether we got the GTX blade on or the regular blade. As you guys can see, I'm balding out. It's not pulling, it's not snagging, it's not uncomfortable for my client, it's not causing no irritation to the skin. And trust me, every client that I have used this trimmer on, I asked them, do they feel any pulling? Do they feel like it's irritating their skin? And they all say they feel nice and smooth and it's good, you know what I'm saying? So that's a good thing. So I have two, like, I guess you can say downfalls, which could be, you know what I'm saying, on my end. But at the same time, I do want to be honest with you guys. So you will see in the next clip, I'm kind of setting the ball line through bulk. And I will say this trimmer kind of did struggle within the corners because it's a high taper. And I was trying to go in like a rainbow formation. That way, I could add some like type of flair to the high taper. Just set it apart from other barbers, you know what I'm saying? But this is the clip right here that I was talking about. So I go on my corners and it's putting a line there, but it's not really a defined line like now, you know what I'm saying? So I had to use the entire blade to set in that guideline, which is okay, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, that could also be on my end, you know what I'm saying? I need to readjust them. I need to oil them up. Whatever the case may be, it could be on my end. I just want to throw that out there for you guys. And my second flaw is I do feel like I kind of have to go over my lines a lot more than what I normally do. And, that's not really a big thing, a big deal, I should say. But for myself, man, I just know you continue to go over the same spot, you can cause irritation to the skin. You can scar the client up with, the trimmer blade. It's just certain things that I don't like. But like I said, too, that could be myself just being picky with things, you know what I'm saying? But at the same time, I'll go back in and readjust these trimmers, man. I'm sure they're going to get the job done. So if you trying to decide if you're going to get them, man, go ahead and get them. Main Cuts approved, man. If you're new, like, comment, share, subscribe. And until next time, man, y'all be blessed.